It's kind of dark in here,
Huh?
though. Do a little video. Keep on moving.
So you're asking yourself, what happened? You tore it all up? Where's the videos of putting it back together? Well, I had them. They were on a card. I can't find the card. I've checked this camera. I have another camera like this at work. Not there. I checked my drone because it takes the same card. Not there. I checked my drone at work. Not there. I have lost all the videos of painting and putting everything back together. I have looked and looked. I have torn my office apart. I've torn my house apart. I tore this RV apart. I don't know where they're at. And I didn't want to leave everybody hanging, so I went ahead and did the reveal. And what I'll do now is I will go over the different things that we did, piece by piece, and try to explain all the missing information. Again, I'm sorry. I really wanted to show people how we painted this, put down the floor, put the quiet mat in, the new carpet in the front, because I know everybody wants to know, how do you get the carpet over the doghouse? I will do my best to explain it all piece by piece. So stick with me. I will keep producing videos, and I will go over the different items that we've done. Thank you. The plan. Next year, me and my wife want to go on vacation. I don't really know where, but I have a hankering for a White Castle burger. The closest White Castle burger to me is in Missouri. Looks like Missouri. Yep, Missouri. So I know that we're going to take about 2 days to get to Missouri, so I can have a White Castle. If you want to join me there, let me know. We're going to leave on April 5th. I'll probably be at the White Castle on April 7th. Don't know which White Castle. We're going to figure that one out. From Missouri, we're going to Nashville. From Nashville to Dollywood. From Dollywood, somewhere in Alabama. From Alabama, Vicksburg. I want to see Vicksburg. From Vicksburg, someplace in Louisiana. Don't want to go to New Orleans. Maybe Lake Charles. And then back home again. Let me show you the route. What's going to be the easiest way to do this? Let's try this. Okay. If this is bad, I'm sorry. This is where I live down here in Texas, right below Houston. We're going to probably stay somewhere in Texas the first night, somewhere in Arkansas the second night. I'm thinking Hot Springs. Third night will be in Missouri. Oops, I'm kind of in the way. In Missouri. That's Cape Girl. I don't know how to pronounce that. But there's a White Castle there. From there, we want to go to Nashville, because there's all kinds of things in Nashville. From Nashville over to Dollywood, because cinnamon bread. Enough said. From there, somewhere in Alabama. Don't know. From Alabama over to Vicksburg. Down to maybe Lake Charles, and then back home again. Here's why I bring this up to you. I know some of the places I want to go, but I have 2 weeks. I'm going to be going from April 5th start date to April 21st end date, which happens to be Easter Sunday. I know I want to go to White Castle. I know I want to go to Nashville. I know I want to go to Dollywood. And I know I want to go to Vicksburg. Everything else is kind of up in the air. So I'm showing you the route so that if you're from that area, know that area, been to that area, maybe you can suggest some place for us to see, or some place we shouldn't miss. that's kind of along the route. I don't mind taking little deviations, not big ones. As it is, it looks like it's about 2,151 miles and 34 hours of driving. I don't want to add a whole lot to that in 2 weeks' time, but I don't want to miss anything on this big, great route of ours. And it all started with, I wanted a White Castle. If you want to join us at White Castle, leave a comment below. We'll let you know exactly which White Castle and what day we'll be there. If you know a place you want us to, that you think we should see, again, leave us a comment. Let us know. Remember, it's going to be April, so if it's a summer-only place, you know, it'll be a little bit early for that. Anyways, leave us a comment. That's the plan. I'm excited about it. There's some fixes we're going to do on the RV before we go on this. I need to recoat the top of the RV. The roof's looking pretty bad, but we can fix that, and I'll do that with you. I already put in the new steps. I'll go over that with you. Any other questions? Ask it below. Thank you. Bye.